how to use LLM assistants correctly. You're getting poor results from an LLM like ChatGPT, not because it's dumb, but because you're using it inefficiently. The whole secret is learning to manage its context window. Imagine the context window as short-term RAM. You decide what exactly to put into this memory. Here are the basic rules to understand. LLMs have no long-term memory. Every time you send a new message, it starts from scratch. It only knows what you have included in the current conversation, the context window. It doesn't learn from past chats. More context isn't always better. If you provide an LLM with a very long dialogue or too many documents at once, it will get lost. It tends to forget information from the middle of the context window. This is a known problem called lost in the middle. Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of an LLM's response depends entirely on the quality of the information you provide. If your instructions are confusing and filled with irrelevant details, noise, you will get a confusing and irrelevant response. Your job is to act as a memory engineer. The most valuable asset you create is not the final code, but the instructions that generate it. Here are some practical strategies for better results. 1. Provide only what's necessary. Don't give the LLM your entire project. If you need to fix a bug in an authorization function, give it only the 2 or 3 files related to authorization. A specific context ensures a precise result. 2. Save your progress in files. For complex tasks, break the work into stages. For example, Stage 1, Research. Ask an LLM agent to analyze the code and write a summary of its findings into a file. For example, research.md. Stage 2, Planning. Start a new chat, ask another LLM agent to read that file and create a step-by-step plan to solve the problem. Save it as plan.md. Stage 3, Implementation. In another new chat, ask the LLM to execute the plan from plan.md. This way, each stage has a clear, focused context, and you can review the work between steps. 3. Summarize long conversations. If you're having a long conversation, the LLM might start to forget the beginning. To avoid this, create a brief summary of the key points and decisions made. Place this summary at the top of your next message. This will refresh the LLM's memory, keeping only the important information. 4. Define roles and constraints. An LLM works more reliably if you give it a clear role. You are a Python security expert, or you are a technical documentation editor. This narrows the range of possible responses and helps avoid unnecessary guesswork. 5. Use formatting. A clear structure for your request, using lists, headings, and steps, greatly simplifies the model's job. The better structured your text is, the higher the chance the response will also be well structured. 6. Verify, don't trust. LLMs are capable of confidently presenting inaccuracies. Treat their answers as drafts or suggestions. Their real value lies in speeding up your work, not in blind trust. 7. Create your own templates. If you often repeat the same type of request, like fix a bug in this SQL query or summarize this article, create a ready-made prompt template. Over time, you'll build a library of commands for different tasks. To achieve a 10-fold improvement in results from any LLM, stop treating it like a person and start treating it like a powerful but forgetful computer. Your main skill now is to effectively manage its memory, context. Be precise, be relevant, and break down large tasks into smaller, focused stages. And that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. There will be a lot more useful information on this channel.
Трещит по швам, я бегу вперед. В проводах низко ритм меня зовет. Киберлабиринт, каждый шаг как бой. Свет и тени кружат, кто здесь, кто со мной. Эхо машин, где конец пути. Вечно горит, но нельзя спасти. Бежим, бежим. Киберлабиринт. В глазах пульсирует ритм. За спиной впереди мираж, что нас спасет, никто, лишь кураж. Тень гиперпсов, огоньки ночи. Кто охотник здесь, кто свои врачи. Мозг в цифровом танце, ток в проводах. Забудь про правила, только в мире мечтах.